I'm literally the best there is. I'm him. I'm the best. Hunters a go. Oh my God, you're so good. Doors, sit down. Your dad's a chode. Oh, what's that, dugout? Shut your mouth. That had to be 95. 93. 93. Your TrackMan's broken. Sit down. Pull back now. Don't even throw it around. Two. Hey, bullpen, y'all seen that? It was dirty, huh? Just taking a catwalk. Hey, Blue, that was would you say it was a ball out or was that in? It was there? Okay, good looks. All right, we got 2 down. Here we go. Keep walking. Keep walking.